Hello guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to the series of C++ in Let's Code. Now you are watching the lecture number 1 and that is an introductory lecture. In this lecture we will see that what topics we will cover in the whole series of C++ and we will see what are the benefits of using C++ and why we choose C++ in the field of computer. But before proceeding to this topic, I want to tell you one thing. If you want to learn Java programming language, that is a very famous language in the field of computer, so I have created a separate playlist for that Java language, so you can find the link in the description. So now coming back to the topic, so I have chosen this language C++, and first of all I want to tell you what topics we will cover in this series. So first of all we will take a start that how to print a statement in C++. Okay. After that we will deal with the different data types in C++. Okay. If you know some other languages already, then it is beneficial for you and you will understand these things very well. But if you don't have any previous knowledge about the languages, then don't worry. I will teach you everything from the very basic and we will cover each and every step in a very detail. After that, we will take a look on the strings, and that string is also one of the data type, but we will go in a little bit detail in the strings. After that, we will take a look on the arrays, and after arrays, we will go to the loops. After that we will cover the pointers, and the pointers are also very important in C language and also in C++, because pointers they deal with the memory address of your computer. After that we will see the sets in C++, then maps in C++, and then stack in C++. And after that our main focus will be on object-oriented topics in C++, because in every language object-oriented is the main part of every language. So now if the object-oriented is our main topic, then why we have to study the other things like loops, arrays, strings, these things? So that is a question, because in the object-oriented we will use all these things like loops, arrays, sets, maps, these things in the object oriented, and when you will go to the practical life, when you will work in the companies, then you will use the object oriented there. So for that one you can think that loops, arrays, pointers and strings, these things are the basic concepts of that one. Now we will see why C++. So here are some topics that why we have chosen this C++. Well, the first thing is that C++ is an object-oriented language that I already told you. Then the second thing is C++ runs on lots of platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac. And after that, C++ is also utilized to create cross-platform and cross-device apps. So what it means? So actually cross-platform means that with one code you can run that code on a multiple different devices that has a different operating system. Now let's take an example. For example, if you have a device that has the operating system of Android, at the same time you are working on the iOS device, that both devices have different operating systems. So to make something, to create for example an application for that devices, you have to know the different programming languages. But C++ allows you, like you will write one C++ code and that C++ code will work on the Android and also on the iOS. So that is the meaning of cross-platform. Now the fourth thing is C++ is used in embedded systems. So well, that is a very good point about C++. Like whenever you will see the embedded devices, so that embedded devices are encoded in the C++. So what is an embedded device? Well, embedded device is a mini computer, you can say, that is installed in the automatic machines. Like maybe you have seen some automatic cars in your life, and you have seen the movable cameras, you have seen the microwave ovens. So in that kind of devices, they have installed the embedded system. Now the fifth thing is, this programming language has been used to create games such as Counter-Strike, World of Warcraft, and StarCraft. So these are the few games that I have mentioned here. So you can say C++ is also used to create the gamings. So that is the end of this video. See you in the next video with a new topic. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit on the like icon.